Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to stop apps from disappearing from your iPhones. Another way to say it is how to turn off the offload unused apps option on your iPhone. So basically what this is when you have the little cloud symbol beside your application, it's usually there if you're running low on space or for any other reasons as well. So basically what it does is it's going to offload the application onto your iCloud, so you won't be able to open up the app right away, but it's still there. All it's going to do is re-download that. So if you guys want to turn that off, it's actually really easy to do. So if we just navigate over to the settings option here, and we want to head over to App Store. So if you guys just scroll down and find App Store, and then click on it, you will then see an option at the very bottom here that says offload unused apps. And basically what this says here is it automatically removes unused apps, but keeps all the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to get rid of the application just so it saves you some space, but it's going to keep all your documents and data. So if you guys want to turn this off, all you guys have to do is just click on it so it turns gray. It automatically comes on when you get your phones. So just make sure that it's gray there, then you guys will be good to go. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to stop apps from disappearing from your iPhone. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.